Do you want to upload a high quality shot on YouTube? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can easily upload a high quality shot on YouTube. So let's get started without wasting any time, and first of all open up your YouTube and then just go to your profile, and after that just click on settings, and then after that click on video quality, and after that here you see the option of high picture quality. Just select this option and also this option. So by selecting these options you will be able to upload a high quality shot on YouTube. So thanks to watch the video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question about the tutorial just leave me a comment below. I will catch you in the next video.